super sweet crafty friends, welcome to my channel, Carolina's Creations Handmade. If you're new, please subscribe and click the bell button down below so you don't miss my videos. And today I have a share video. I want to share 3 projects with you, and this video is going to be different from what I usually do. I wanted to make it a little fun, at least for me, and I'm going to share with you 3 projects that I'm working on, and I'm going to ask you to pick which one of the 3 would you like me to do a tutorial for, and that one will have a tutorial for tomorrow. So I'm going to share with you, this one is not completely finished, but I wanted to share with you because I want you guys to let me know which one you like better, which one would you like me to do the tutorial for first. Let me show you. I'm going to start with this one. This one is the smaller of the 3. So for this one, I made this, and this is a cocoa caddy, so this is really easy to make. You don't have to have any special tools for this. So this is great to make for your craft fairs. This is also great to make for gift sets for your co-workers, teachers, your friends, your neighbors, your family too. And you can use them to place a gift card inside here, so you can gift a gift card along with the cocoa set. So I'm going to show you. I think what I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to place a little pocket in here so I can place a gift card on the back instead of doing it in here. So this is how I decorated it. I think it's so super stinking adorable. You guys have to let me know in the comment section how you like this little guy. Isn't he so stinking cute? I used some ribbon from Stampin' Up to decorate it, and also some hemp cord and some paper from Michaels. And this is an older paper also from Michaels. And I bought this little cup from Webster. And if you would like to know where I got it from, let me know, and I'll let you know on the description below. So I'm going to show you how it looks inside. So this is the inside of it, and you can see here it has a Ghirardelli chocolate. So stinking adorable. This is a caramel version, and it matches perfectly with the orange for this. And I wanted to make it this color because it's still fall, so I wanted to theme it fall. And then this one has a little base here that keeps your little cup from moving around. So you can just remove this. And this one actually goes inside in here. So this is how it looks like this. So stinking adorable. I think this is so cute. It's so easy to make. And I decorated it with this little bow in here. And this is a little cup. I used some paper to decorate it. I made it a little scallop here and bunched this little guy from the paper line to decorate my little cup. And then I use here my crimper punch from Fiskars to crimp around the paper, so it looks like the holders from those cocoa cups that you get like at Starbucks and things like that. So I think this is just so stinking cute. I used also this little circle poster board in here to decorate, and I'm going to show you. I'm using this Keurig hot cocoa, and this one is from Starbucks. It's naturally flavored and it's really good. So I think this is perfect to place it here on my gift set. So what I'm doing is I'm just sticking them inside. It fits perfectly, and you could actually place a caramel here, which I'm going to do, and I'm going to show you on the tutorial. I'm going to fill this with little caramel hard candy that I got. So you close it, and this is just so super stinking cute. You have to let me know, guys, on the comment section how you like it. I place in here this label that I stamp, and it says for an amazing friend. So you can give this for your friends. You can give it to any family member who's your amazing friend, or your teacher, anything. So I think this is really cute. This would work perfect too for craft fairs. This is adorable. So you place your little cup in there, and then it will guarantee that your cup is not going to be going anywhere. So you can see there the little guy. This is so stinking adorable. I hope you guys like this one too, and let me know again on the comment section how do you like it and which one would you like me to start the tutorial for. So I'm going to place this one on the side. I'm going to go with this one next, and this one is a caddy also, and this is a double caddy, as you see here. So this one holds a milk carton that I made, and then it holds also the cup. So this one is also a hot cocoa set. In the milk carton, I'm actually going to place little mini marshmallows and some other candy inside. And over here you have this candy cane to stir your hot chocolate. And I actually decorated this little cup in here, and I added a banner here that I decorated with a little sticker from We Are Memory Keepers that says fa la la. And this is not finished yet. It's not finished decorated, the side of the little caddy. But I wanted to share with you because I want to know which one would you like me to do the tutorial for, so I can start the tutorial for you tomorrow. And this is just all stinking cute. Let me show you guys. So this is the same principle here. You have the hot cocoa inside this little cup, and I'm using again the one from Starbucks. And then as you see inside, there is a Ghirardelli chocolate. This one has peppermint bark. So these are the squares from Ghirardelli, and I place here the peppermint bark, and I place here this little guy. And this one is a stirrer. This is you can use this to stir your chocolate, your hot cocoa, and it gives it the minty taste, so it's a lot nicer. I added this scallop back with a circle here to decorate, and this little ball, and I think this turned out so stinking cute. So you place your cup in there, and with the little holder inside, your little cup won't go anywhere. So that is super cute. And then I added here this little milk carton, and I'm going to show you this carton. You can fill a lot of things in here, and that's what I wanted to do it this way. You could make this making this side longer and then put another cup in here, or put even this in there, but I wanted to do it like this style. For me, it's for some reason it looks like a train cart. The train front. I love it. I think it's so stinking adorable, and it's super easy to make. So you can see in there it has the big compartment, and this compartment is the same size as this one, but in this one we have the little box inside that helps us carry the cup so it doesn't move around. And then in this little cup, this little cup is really big. I'm planning to put mini marshmallows here and also some other candy. So this is perfect for your hot cocoa set. And then you can place a gift card on this one too, on this side. And this one, you can make it into a belly band and then just place your gift card in here. And that would be perfect if you do the belly band here and then just place your gift card. And that's what I plan to do. So I closed this one. I glued the half of it. And then I close the other half with this little mini paper clips from Tim Holtz. They go perfectly there, so stinking adorable. I added a label here. It says for an amazing friend. So this is so stinking cute. And this is, again, perfect for your teachers, co-workers, neighbors, family members. And you can make this for craft fairs too. I know that a lot of you don't like making projects that are too involved for craft fairs, but this would be just so stinking adorable. I bet you people would buy them. This is so cute! So again, I'm going to actually glue here this little candy cane as part of my caddy. And you guys had to let me know which one you like better so I can start the tutorial with that one. This one again is not finished decorated, but I think it's turning out so adorable already. So stinky cute! And now I'm going to show you another version of a gift cocoa set. And this version is super cute. This is the easiest one to make. It's super easy. So if you do for craft fairs, this would be perfect for it because it's so easy to make and people love them. I've taken this for craft fairs, and they run out of the shelf. They really fly. People love these sets. So I decorated this one with a crepe paper rosette that I made, and I added this little circle here. I stamped just a little thanks, this little ball. And since it's fall and it's Thanksgiving close by, this is perfect. People would buy this for co-workers, for friends, for your teachers, for family members. This is really cute. So it says thankful here. I added this little label here, and then I decorated this little cup, and I added this I punched this from the paper. It says autumn. I added another one of those bands like this side here for the cocoa cup. and I think it turned out so cute. I added a rosal stuffer marshmallow caramel here, and then I added the little candy cane to stir your chocolate, and then I'm going to show you how it looks inside. So this is how it looks on the top. This is the front, and then you have this area here so it's easier for you to remove it. And this is how it looks inside. Look at how stinking adorable. I added some shredded paper here from Dollar Tree. And then you lift this. I'm going to show you what's inside. Inside we have marshmallows, and these ones are corn, candy corn. Isn't this so stinking adorable? So these are candy corn marshmallows. They're so adorable. They match perfect here. And I added here this cocoa pack. This is a hot cocoa mix from Land O'Lakes. You can get a less expensive version from Swiss Mix, I believe. And I also got some from Ghirardelli that are so delicious. But I'm planning to use those for more like for my family and things like that. These are for like if you want to make them like for craft fairs, this would be less expensive if you use less expensive chocolate. But if you want to gift it to your family or friends or close people to you, you can use a Ghirardelli chocolate packs, and oh my god, they're delicious. So it closes like this, and then you have your gift set here. And then, like I said again, it's perfect for your friends and family. You can even fill the cup with little candy or other things inside. I didn't fill it, but you can do that if you'd like to. So this is super stinking adorable. You can sell this at your craft fairs for $7, and people will just take them. They would just go out of your table. So this is one of the best sellers for craft fairs. And I made this one actually inspired by a design from Scrap the World. She made one a couple of years ago, I think, and I actually changed my design, but I like the concept. I changed my design and I just redesigned it to look like this, and I think it turned out so stinky cute. So again, guys, you have to let me know which of the three would you like me to do a tutorial for first. So let me know in the comment section below, so I can have a tutorial up for you tomorrow. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for all your sweet messages, your emails. They make my day every time. So thank you, thank you. And please keep leaving me comments and letting me know what things you like, so I know what I can make for you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having an awesome Saturday, and I hope to see you back here soon tomorrow for another tutorial. Bye-bye, guys. Love you. Mwah.